when I took over investment promotion board, there were so many proposals which were pending. I was the first to question why these proposals are pending. 20, 30, believe me, not a single proposal was left uncleared. I cleared all the proposals. We have to learn to trust industry. Today, from those states, we have got lot of people making a beeline. But we are very careful whom we encourage, what type of industry we want, and how is it that we would like Goa to grow. Like I remember, I think it was Coach Karoli who said, we don't want another Dubai and Singapore. I have given these examples even in the assembly, but what was my take on that? From a desert, whether it was Singapore or Dubai, see how they have transformed. That was my point. I did not say we need another Dubai or whether we need another Singapore. I said, and I go further, they were blessed with only sand dunes, everything dry. See how they have changed. And we are already blessed by nature, the greenery around, the water bodies, beautiful Goa, lovely people, and yet we are not marching forward. That was my thing.
Jalachet, I was very clear. Somebody might like me or hate me. When your services are not good and not up to the mark, you don't expect me to say that you are doing something nice, so you're going to be, you could be better. We have been too long. We have understood that it was not possible the services to improve.